What's up guys, today I am going to show on magnetic USB charger from AliExpress in this year hot promotions in magnetic charging cable on AliExpress. Great news! You're in the right place for magnetic charging cable. By now you already know that. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell and like, comment my video. Let's go. Number 10 is Ugreen USB Type-C cable for Samsung S10S93A fast USB charging Type-C charger data cable for Redmi Note 8 Pro USB-C Cabo wire. Features of this product: brand name, Ugreen. Upgrade 3A fast Type-C cable 95 mins fully charged, support quick charge 3.0 2.0 Huawei IFCP extended joint full coverage durable nylon braided aluminum alloy housing safe and reliable widely compatibility 480 Mbps fast data transfer. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 9 is Elough Quick Magnetic Charger 3.0 4.0 Micro USB cable for iPhone, Samsung, Xiaomi fast magnetic phone charging cord Type-C cable. Features of this product: brand name, Elough. Connector B, Lightning connector B, Type-C connector B, Micro USB maximum current, 3A surface material, nylon connector A. USB-A features, magnetic features, 3-in-1 has retail package, no Type 1, magnetic cable for iPhone 11 Pro XXSXR786SIXS5 Plus Type 2, magnetic charger for phone Android. Smartphone Type 3, magnetic USB cable for Samsung Galaxy S9, S9 Plus, S8, S8 Plus, S7, S6 Note 8, 76 Type 4, micro USB cable for Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 9 tons Pro, Huawei IHTC LG Sony Type 5, USB Type-C cable for Meizu Sony HTC Nokia Huawei IP20P101 Plus 2, 3, 5. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 8 is ROC 5A magnetic cable micro USB Type-C super fast charging phone USB-C LED light phone 1M 2M for iPhone, Xiaomi. Features of this product: brand name, ROC. Connector B, micro USB maximum current, 5A surface material, nylon connector A, Type-C connector A, Lightning connector A. Micro USB features, magnetic features, 2-in-1 features, 3-in-1 features, illuminated has retail package, yes type, magnetic cable micro USB Type-C for iPhone. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 7 is Venroii 5A USB Type-C cable 1M 2M 3M fast charging Type-C cable for Huawei IP30P20 Mate 20 Pro phone supercharge QC 3.0 USB-C Cabo. Features of this product: brand name, Venroii. Connector B, Type-C maximum current, 5A surface material, TPE connector A. USB-A features, 2-in-1 has retail package, yes type, Type-C cable 3M 2M function, Huawei I Type-C cable function 1, Type-C cable, USB-C cable function 2, USB cable function 3, fast charging cable function 4, 5A. Supercharge, quick charge, flash charge function 5, Type-C, Type-C, USB-C, USB-C. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 6 is Ugreen micro USB cable 3A nylon fast charge USB data cable for Samsung, Xiaomi, LG tablet, Android mobile phone USB charging cord. Features of this product: brand name, Ugreen. Surface material, metal features, Alloy connector upgrade, fast micro USB charger cable support, quick charge 3.0 2.0, fast charge data transmission upgrade, fast micro USB charger cable support, quick charge 3.0 2.0, fast charge data transmission, wide compatibility, extended joint, full coverage. Comfortable plug design, intelligent chip, safe charge, protect phone battery with stable charging current, high quality aluminum alloy housing, sturdy nylon braided. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 5 is Essager magnetic micro USB cable for iPhone, Samsung, fast charging data wire cord magnet charger, USB Type-C 3M mobile phone cable. Features of this product: brand name, Essager, connector B, lightning connector B, Type-C connector B, micro USB maximum current, 3A surface material, nylon connector A, USB-A features, magnetic features, with LED indicator features, alloy connector has retail package, yes function, fast charging and data transmission charger, magnetic USB. Cable material, aluminum plug and nylon cable, color, black, silver, red. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 4 is Marjay magnetic micro USB cable for iPhone, Samsung, Android, fast charging magnet charger, USB Type-C cable, mobile phone cord wire. Features of this product: brand name, Marjay, connector B, Type-C connector B, micro USB maximum current, 2.4A surface material, nylon connector A, USB-A features, magnetic features, 2-in-1. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 3 is Elough quick magnetic charger 3.0 4.0 micro USB cable for iPhone, Samsung, Xiaomi, fast magnetic phone charging cord, Type-C cable. Features of this product: brand name, Elough, connector B, lightning connector B, Type-C connector B, micro USB maximum current, 3A surface material, nylon connector A, USB-A features, magnetic features, 3-in-1 has retail package, no. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 2 is PZOZ magnetic cable, fast charging micro USB cable, Type-C magnet charger, USB-C microSIV wire for iPhone 11 Pro XR/X Redmi Note 9s. Features of this product: brand name, PZOZ connector B, lightning connector B, Type-C connector B, micro USB maximum current, 3A surface material, nylon connector A, USB-A features, magnetic features, 2-in-1 features, 3-in-1 features, illuminated features, with LED indicator features, with C94 has retail package, yes function, magnetic cable, Type-C, micro USB, lighting. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 1 is Twitch T01 magnetic micro USB Type-C cable for iPhone, Xiaomi mobile phone, fast charging USB cable, magnetic charger wire cord. Features of this product: brand name, Twitch, connector B, lightning connector B, Type-C connector B, micro USB maximum current, 2A surface material, metal connector A, USB-A features, magnetic features, 2-in-1 features, 3-in-1 features, illuminated features, with LED indicator has retail package, yes color, black, red, silver. Only support charging, not support data transfer. So this is the best option for you to buy. Thanks for watching my video. If you do not watch my last videos, please watch this and don't forget to subscribe my channel.